And here it is. Domino Automatic by Zonzini. Attention, your product might be delivered via a slightly different means of delivery. Domino Automatic is simple, safe, and perfect to transport any load. To begin with, insert the vertical structure in the holes, connect the battery, and position the joystick. And now, here are the 5 golden rules one should never forget. Wheels, only to move on a flat surface. Crawler tracks, always parallel to the staircase. No, not like that. That's right, parallel. Automatic function, only at the start and end of the climb to avoid undesired events along the way. When you stop, 3 support points, otherwise 2, but never just 1. The weight, always ensure it is balanced. Let's have a quick look at the controls. Using the domino is child's play. Turn it on, off. With the indicator, monitor the battery, which must always be fully charged when you set off and must never be left low for too long. Move with the joystick. Tilt the platform in the most convenient position for you with the M button. And exit the M function by tapping the joystick to the right. When the automatic function is activated, the red LED turns on. If the LED is on and you try changing the tilt of the loading platform with the M function, you won't be able to choose an angle lower than the minimum one permitted by the automatic function. However, you can select a greater angle if your load is very large. Okay, let's go! How high is your load? Adjust the height of the structure with the chain, then tie the load with the belt. So, M button, manual, to find the load's tilt and not break your back. Then lever with your foot and move the domino close to the staircase. Away with the wheels. Start climbing the staircase. Adjust the speed with the joystick to give Domino Automatic the time to correct the tilt. In general, for small medium-sized loads, therefore not much larger than the base, the standard angle is fine. Important, what matters is not just the weight of the load, the angle must be adjusted based on its dimensions as well. However, with Domino Automatic, you can carry even very large loads. All you need to do is find the right stability by increasing the safety angle with the M button. Watch out for the end of the staircase. Stop with the curve of the track against the edge of the step. Restart the automatic function. Slowly back up to find the balance point. Then slightly pull the hand grip towards you and you will see the track close. Extremely important, immediately back up to be completely on the landing and in a safe position. Turn off the automatic function and perform rotation with the joystick. What about climbing down? It's as safe as climbing up, and the same instructions apply. They are simply performed in reverse order. Remove the wheels, turn on the domino, start the automatic function, move slowly until you are able to move the trolley forward with very little effort, so that the crawler tracks open automatically. Why always stick to the rules? Because this is what might happen otherwise. Mamma mia! When the crawler tracks have touched the second step, start climbing down while checking the position. You already know the rest. Turn off the automatic function, climb down while ensuring you are in control of the machine, and turn it back on when you've reached the landing. Et voila! Remember to charge the batteries each time and you're ready to restart. Domino Automatic. Transporting weights has never been so easy.